Hello, my YouTube friends. Well, here's another Patreon video for you. I'm going to be giving you one every Friday. As a patron on the Patreon channel, A Better Life with Kat, you will get 5 of these videos every single week. Another bonus is that there are no advertisements on the Patreon channel, and I have the ability to answer your questions and comment if I think it's appropriate. On the YouTube channel, you'll notice I just give you a little heart that lets you know that I've read your comment, and I really appreciate it. I just don't have the ability to answer all of your questions on the YouTube channel. So come on over. It's only $5 a month, no advertising, and I think you'll really enjoy it, and we'd love you to be part of our Patreon family. Thanks again for watching, and always remember that you are beautiful. Hello, patrons. Today we're talking about stringing pearls. And what do I mean by that? Well, I know that you've heard me talk about doing one job right after the other, and like a slinky going down the stairs, you just don't stop. Well, inside those jobs, inside those routines are steps. So inside the morning routine are all the little steps. Make your bed, brush your teeth, get dressed, wash the sink out, switch the toilet, etc. Inside of the basic weekly plan, each one of those basic weekly plan things have steps. Weekly home blessing hour is a great example. You have 6 things. So oftentimes people stop or get stymied somewhere in the middle. And so we're going to think of those as pearls, each little thing as a pearl. And in order to have a string of pearls, you have to string them. So we're going to string the pearls together. If you leave a pearl out, have you ever seen a string of pearls that's missing a pearl? It's got a big gappy spot. It's not pretty. And it's not going to help you in the long run if you keep skipping things, especially the same things. So we're going to think of it as stringing pearls. So let's start with each of the things. Here we go. Morning routine. String together. Getting up, washing your face, brushing your teeth, moisturizing your skin, putting on your makeup, combing your hair, getting your clothes on, swishing the toilet, wiping the sink, emptying the dishwasher, and making the coffee. If I left out making the bed, it's one of the most important things. So that's a string of pearls. You have a win, okay? Next, we're gonna go to, and you do the same thing for your children. The next is your laundry. Laundry is just a little three pearl necklace. Wash, rinse, wash, dry, fold, put away. Four pearls. 4 pearls. Now those are more delicate, so you have to work separately on those. So that's like wash the clothes, and when you hear them finished, it's time to string the next pearl, put it in the dryer. When you hear the dryer finished, it's time to string the next pearl, fold the clothes or hang them up. And when you've done that, it's time to string the final pearl, put them away, okay? That's laundry. Paper routine is just 1 pearl, a single pearl. That's your single pearl necklace. Sort your paper and to throw away or do something with. That's it. Okay, then you've got your, let's see, we've done morning routine. Okay, after dinner routine. After dinner routine is put the dishes in the dishwasher. Next step, wipe the table. Next step, wipe the counters. Next step, sweep the floor. Next step, wipe the stove. Next step, put the soap in the dishwasher, get it ready to run. Next step, wipe the sink. Whatever your little steps are in your kitchen. Okay, then that's your after dinner routine. The final routine for the day is the before bed routine, and we're going to string the pearls together. So we're going to, first of all, go to bed in a timely manner. So you're going to go to bed on time. That means that your first pearl is getting up and starting the evening routine. So that's your first pearl, okay? It's not a point pearl, but it's still important to start your string. So you're going to get up and start to get ready. And you're going to wash your face, brush your teeth, take your shower or bath. Maybe you did that in the morning, that's fine. And let me say this, if you're not taking a shower or a bath and it's planned, you're not just flopping into bed too exhausted to take care of yourself, but you plan not to take a shower or bath that day, that's fine if that's part of your natural way of taking care of yourself, as long as you are cleaning your stinky parts, okay? So it has to be planned, And you have to do things like wash your feet, etc. And I think you know what I mean. So that would be a pearl, taking your bath or shower. What else do we have in the evening routine? Lay out your clothes, that's a pearl. Or maybe leaving something out. Oh, check your planner, that's a pearl. That's also a pearl in the morning. Check your planner. That may be it. You may have some other things like close the blinds in the home or something. You can add that. But these are stringing these pearls together, so you have a string of pearls, a win, okay? Now that when you get to routines, the routine is, that's the routines. When you get to the zone is just 15 minutes, so it's one pearl. Just one big pearl. When you're doing the basic weekly plan, weekly home blessing hour is 6 pearls. When you do car and purse, 2 pearls. When you do, what else do we have? Oh, a big one, and probably the most time-consuming one is the planning and desk day. But after you get good at it, it won't take you long. But it's checking the refrigerator. That's a pearl, and that means you're organizing it and wiping it out. That's 1 pearl. And then making a menu based on what's in your refrigerator, freezer, and pantry. That's a pearl. And then making a grocery list based on your menu. That's a pearl. Checking your budget. That's a pearl. Balancing your checkbook. That's a pearl. Going through your inbox and taking care of it. That's a pearl. So that's a pearl necklace. And then the only other thing we have is clutter checks, and 3 clutter checks a day are single pearls. 3 single pearls. Clutter check, clutter check, clutter check. So you're going to have pearls, beautiful pearls. And you're going to be able to look back and have wins all day long if you just string your pearls together. I hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.